Sleep, Mom. It's 7:30. Show Grandma that pretty.
There's Sean eating your seeds. Chris! Kristen. Hi, sweetie.
Show Grandma that pretty.
You got it pretty?
Herbie's modeling some bird stuff.
Look at the cookie is having
And
its
here
sleep.
comes Janice
Okay,
and mother-in-law
good job.
Alice. Aren't they looking nice
Taking
today?
her out.
Smile for the camera, Janice.
Okay, we can have a comfy seat and watch the modeling. Sit on this rocker here, Alice. It's more.
I had a nice glass of water somewhere.
You should sit here.
No.
You can shut it off now, Trudy.
That's a size for. Have we got some little cute shoes for you?
Oh.
Don't touch her.
No, he's dirty,
He's
bro.
just touching the blue red
She
one.
pretty.
That actually looks very
She
nice.
pretty. Walk up here, honey.
Walk over here,
You
Kirby.
have to be a model. You have to walk slowly. Walk slowly.
I tied it up.
Turn her. Oh, no, fart.
Turn
around.
Turn around.
Take your dress and hold it up.
Yeah, she's coming.
Walk over by Grandma.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, no.
Don't touch her. Wash up. Then you can play with
Turn
it.
around now towards the camera. Hold your dress out nice.
Hold your dress out. You got to move back, Kirby, way back so I can get you in the picture. Back by Grandma. There, now I can get you in the
Hold your
picture.
little dress out like this.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, that's cute.
Get her all in.
You ready now?
Zoom.
Put your hands in your
They're
pockets.
opposite.
Okay, walk this way.
Honey, Trudy. Yeah, it's just easy.
Put them on your hips.
And then walk up towards Honey Trudy and then spin around.
Say, you like my outfit, Trudy?
Spin around now. That's a girl.
Yeah,
Now
I
take your hands out of your pockets and hold them on your hips. That is cute. See? That's
Walk back to Grandma.
There, now you can walk back to ground.
Come back to me.
The big bow on the back of it.
Hey, come back to me, honey.
Huh?
Kirby, come back to me. Not run. You walk back nicely. You spin around once and then you leave.
We're a little lazy.
Then you lay back and go to the bed. You have to learn to
Sweet boy.
go back there.
Yes.
Oh, pretty.
Okay, let's do it up. I can do it up.
That reminds me,
It
Jean.
just fits in.
Someone said you needed pictures. Oh, that's cute.
See, honey? Okay, stop right here now. Stop here.
That's the one I
Now
wanted
when you
to
get
see
down
on.
there, you put your hands in your pocket. Don't
Yeah, I
go
think
way
it's
out,
different
but
when
just
I
easy.
iron up the rough.
Just put your pockets in your
But
hands.
that's a 4.
Oh, that is
So just
I
a
think
little bit.
it's-
No, Kirby, right there. Yeah.
From the
We need to
legs
raise-
down, I think it's a little
That is
for
cute,
her.
honey. Okay, walk up towards Trudy. Walk slowly. That's a girl. And then spin around.
Yeah, that is cute. And what size is that bird?
That's a 14.
A 4, she says. Okay, honey, stroll
Stand up.
back now.
That would look cute on Ashley.
Just a minute.
It would because you know Ashley's.
That's good. Now turn
Well,
around.
see, you
That's a girl. Now back in the
You
bed.
can, see with her, we got on the farthest one down too, Amy.
Oh, you can have
Button.
a
A little screwy here, but show Grandma. Show
Aw,
Grandma.
that is so cute. That's not too
Maybe
small
I
for
can help
you.
you. Hold down. Yeah, it looks kind of small.
Hey, come here, Kristen.
Yeah, it is.
Kristen.
Bird, hurry, come
Hey,
here.
Kristen, go get the ball.
Hurry before he
pull
takes
the
it
tag.
off.
Kristen, here. Want the ball?
Bird.
Here, show Dad. Look.
Get that stupid outfit off that
So
kid.
cute.
Give me that bow tie.
Shut up. Leave it, Mitch.
Just a minute. Bird hasn't seen it. Bird.
Come here. Shorts are so cute on
In
you.
the process, just one
Yeah,
second.
You
hold
better
up.
hurry or you're going to miss
Kristen.
it.
Aw.
That whole outfit is
But it's kind of small, don't you think, for him?
Dada.
Don't you think it looks a little snug?
It is nice. The buttons are just screwy. That's why it
He
looks.
had no
I
diaper
wonder
on.
why you wouldn't wear
But
it
what
very
size is that?
long.
12?
That's 12 months.
And what's that? How
No,
old
it's
is
a
he?
2, isn't it?
No, it's 12 months.
Oh, and
that's
he's
big
18.
for 12 months.
Yes.
He's 20 months old.
Yeah.
It fits him pretty darn good, really.
You want to go outside? Okay, come here and I'll take it off. Come here, I'll take it off. Come here.
Once we said put up.
What?
They're quite
Kristen.
big, aren't
Come here.
they?
See Auntie. Kristen, come see Auntie. Auntie, put your
Are
train
you
on.
cold? Very slowly. And take your little skirt.
They wouldn't last long, eh?
Take your little skirt, honey. Pull it up. That's
They fit
it.
just perfect
Twirl right
now.
around towards your cavity.
Kristen.
You should have done a couple sizes bigger.
Try the train on. Come here.
That is so
You should write down this bird, like Pineapple Kathy, what class she takes, and then tell people, well, my niece
Yeah.
who takes exercise fits into
There,
this.
what do I put?
Now you go back.
Very good job.
Yeah, do an extra.
Auntie's not used to that. I put the arms in first.
And they're getting sleeping on that. Casey, come on.
Oh, look at that. What's your gamma?
Oh.
Gamma. And this is size 18 months, I think this one is showing. Yeah, 18 months. Look at that. Show grandma. Let's see. Go show grandma.
That is cute.
Oh, that is cute. Look at yes, it's choo-choo train.
Go show grandma choo-choo train.
Grandma. Bird. He's got the train on. Go show grandma. Show grandma the train.
They got them zoomed in here.
Grandma, you can see this.
I'm a hush puppies. Two-piece set. That is cute. That one.
The material those are so nice.
Did you know this thing was straight? What do you call that?
You want to try the balloon
Is
on
it
now?
him that says what the moose says? Or is it
You want to try these ones, Mom?
That doesn't fit him bad.
Oh,
Okay, let's take it off now.
Okay, Kristen. Okay, Kristen. Let's take it off now.
The top is kind of big though on the bottom. I guess that's the idea.
That's a girl.
Yeah, I
Take
think
your little,
so.
bottom of your little top and you take it and you spin around.
Looks comfy though.
Spin around.
But that's a six.
Okay, that's good. Now walk back.
Yeah, for a little girl.
I don't. I need one speck of pop. I never bought any.
And it's nice. I really
What about that little black outfit? Or is that for a little kid? See the black flowers there?
This is for
That's a size 2.
Yeah. Hey.
that one is cute. Yeah. Okay, what are the ones we need to try on Kristen? Kristen, you want to try this one?
Tomorrow, next week.
24 months.
Just try to
I think it's baby or something.
Kristen, try this one.
It's cute, isn't it? For
Walk towards Danny Trudy very slowly. And turn around.
Oh, lovely.
You have it backwards, Brenda.
No, she doesn't, Mom.
She does.
No, the buttons down the front.
The button's going up.
Look at Kristen's.
Oh,
Let's see. Oh, no. You better not drink your bubble with that.
And Mommy.
Look at that. Look at the pocket. Look.
That's 18 months.
What?
Actually, 4.
That's cute. Curvy.
Oh, I
just
thought
read
it was
it.
18 months.
So cute. We're
Okay,
gonna
let's
have to
take it
show
off
Mommy.
there.
I didn't.
Did you get him?
Got spin, Trudy.
Look at in here. Look at in here. There's a pocket.
Take his little hand and walk towards Annie.
Bubba.
Hey, take
Okay,
your hands
come here.
off.
Go take this off. Then
Okay, let's take this off.
Then you can have a Bubba.
Fashion show. Oh, he's long, Curdy. He likes Curdy.
Careful, Kurt. Don't sit on those clothes, okay?
Kurt and Ricky. Just lost. You forgot your clothes, did you, guys? I have.
Keep your stickers, yeah.
That other one.
Put on a size 3 kid. They might be even longer.
Put your hands in your pockets now.
Looks a little sudden.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What
Now
size is
turn
it?
around.
Oh, hey,
Hey, not too fast. Turn very slowly so you can get on the camera.
yeah.
Somebody dark. That would look nice. Mind you, she's got some.
Let's go get another one.
Oh, like I tried to pull
No,
them
you have to
up.
hold your hands in your hips.
Pull out, so my auntie pulled them up just a bit.
Little tummy stick in the house.
Kristen, come here. Auntie wants to try this on you.
You walk up towards Auntie Trudy now.
Walk towards any
baby
foot. I don't
Kristen.
think I got more
But
legs.
here, you stand like this. One hand. And the other
We can bring
down.
Jesus.
I think it'll be big for her.
Now walk up towards Trudy.
Oh, that looks cute even just like
And then
that.
you get there, you
That looks
turn.
so comfy.
Turn around again and face Trudy.
Know her your nice new
And then back over here.
I believe
cameo.
that's a size 2.
That is cute.
And then you turn. Kristen, take it easy.
Bert, grab him.
Put him out of
Do you
our
want to come
wings.
try on some outfits?
Auntie wants to try
Yes,
that
you
on.
can.
Penny's in here.
So
We're done. We're done. Tell Bert, hurry up and get out here. You won't
Hey,
leave this
Bert,
on
come
very
here.
long.
He isn't going to leave this on very much.
Hurry.
Hey, hurry, Bert. Hurry.
Hurry, Bert.
Isn't that cute?
Isn't that a cute
Put his little arm.
outfit? That is.
Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Come see Grandma.
You should have done that.
Yes.
Oh, I like that.
What are we doing?
We didn't have
Try it on. Come here, Kristen. Let's see. Show me Minnie. Where's the flower?
Hey, come show Papa.
Where's Papa? Show Papa.
All I wanted was a stew.
Look at Papa.